Hello, everyone. I'm Tin, founder and CEO of Open Motors. Our company is backed by Y Combinator, and we are based in Silicon Valley, and now also in China. We are making a new EV and a battery swap technology only for services like Uber and Didi. We don't sell to final consumers. And we can host multiple AI configurations. Even if I don't look like, actually, I am Italian. Yeah. And as well as my co-founders, we are all coming from a city called Turin that is famous for chocolate, like Nutella, Ferrero Rocher. Also, it's famous for soccer. Cristiano Ronaldo is playing my city. And obviously, cars. Actually, we are all coming from the automotive industry. We've been doing fancy, beautiful cars like Ferrari, Lamborghinis, EVs, and also SUVs for the Chinese market. These are some of the brands we've been involved directly. And only few cities in the world actually have the know-how to make cars, great cars, from 0 to 1 and from 1 to million at the global scale. But this is actually a very traditional and old market. In fact, Bloomberg said probably we will remember this year as the peak car, the peak of production and the peak of sales to final consumers. And it's already happening, also in China. Double-digit losses everywhere. So the new market actually is called MaaS, Mobility as a Service. And apparently is going to be huge, over $7 trillion. And in China, actually, is going to be dominant, even bigger than public transportation and private car market combined. According to a study from McKinsey on how to make the EV industry profitable, because all the companies right now are losing money, they propose a solution. And this solution actually is target fleet customers with a high mileage category and focus on the TCO. TCO means total cost of ownership, which is the biggest problem for fleets. Actually, actual cars have a very bad TCO because we know, we've been doing that. All the cars are engineered for private users. So our TCO means actually you buy the car, the initial cost, and all maintenance, repair, insurance, everything that you can see here. So the objective is to optimize the TCO, and we did that with one integrated solution, a vehicle and a revolutionary battery swap technology. This is the vehicle called Edit, and you can imagine like an airplane, like from Airbus, made it as a city car. Super durable, high replaceability, and easy upgradability. And here's the video.
Introducing the future of the automotive industry. A ready-to-use, road-legal vehicle designed and engineered in Europe. Featuring a platform that is entirely modular, allowing vehicles to adapt to any situation, any location, any need. A truly adaptable vehicle designed and engineered for services. The modular platform allows for truly future-proofed vehicles, ready to easily repair, refurbish, and upgrade any part necessary, with flexibility to choose even up to level 5 complete autonomous driving. A fleet of self-driving, truly white-label vehicles can operate up to 24 hours every day, allowing for maximum efficiency. And because the entire platform is built on a modular architecture, fleets of vehicles can last 10 times longer. Customizable, modular, and upgradable. Designed to last, designed to evolve.
So, we also introduced recently a new revolutionary technology for battery swapping. Actually, to be honest, the technology is pretty much like Tesla, NIO, and Alton from Shanghai. The only thing that is not comparable is the price. We are several times more affordable. So in a nutshell, these are the differences between us and our competitors. We are focusing on parts that are necessary from services. And we are talking to Didi, Uber, okay? And we are extremely focused in the cost optimization. We pushed so far this that we achieved remarkable results. The TCO of our vehicle is 2 times lower than any other cars. We can extend the battery life, the lifespan of the battery, up to 3 times more. The cost of the station actually is 10 times lower on average. And time. We are comparing 60 minutes of fast charging, which is not that fast, with just 2.5 minutes to swap the battery. The business model is very simple. We provide to service providers, cars, batteries, swapping, and energy. And we already got interest from remarkable companies, moving people and moving goods. Also recently, from global Fortune 500 companies in energy and infrastructure. The AI part and big data plays a huge role in our company. But there is no reason for us to compete against all of these players. Instead, there is one good reason to integrate all of them. Because now we can provide cars to Didi for China, and we can provide cars to Uber in North America. And we use AI and big data for all these other things, especially predictive maintenance. To recap, we are Open Motors, backed by YC, huge experience from Europe, now also Silicon Valley and China. We are making an EV and a revolutionary battery swap technology only for services, ultra optimized. If you're interested, that's my WeChat. Feel free to add me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your presentation.
Thank you.
I think this is truly, like you said, is a revolutionary idea. So it'll definitely disrupt the current business model in both the auto manufacturing and also the other companies in the ecosystem. So my question is, you mentioned you can provide cars on your open platform to Didi in China and to Uber in, for example, in the United States.
Yeah.
But they don't own the cars.
Yeah,
right?
That's a very great question.
Their drivers own their cars. So how do you educate the drivers so they will adopt your technology? How do you increase your name recognition? And then what is your strategy to penetrate the market? Thank you.
Very easy. A lot of questions. I will start with the first one. So it's true. So Uber and Didi, they usually rely on drivers that brings their own car. And actually, this solution, we thought about it for self-driving. Because if you have self-driving, if you have the AI driving the car, there is no driver. Who's going to bring the car, right? But the thing that really surprised us, because we are collecting data from Uber, Grab, Didi, all these major players, is that it's already happening now. They are already in a second phase. Okay? They don't have enough drivers. So now they are about to buy millions of cars, and through a finance system, provide to drivers, new drivers, that cannot afford to buy a car. So it's already happening. And what they need is, the biggest problem in all the fleets is the TCO. Okay. Then, penetration, how we can penetrate the market. Actually, we've been working in, Ferrari, Lamborghini, all these brands. We have to make super beautiful, fancy stuff that will convince final consumers to say, hey, if I buy the Ferrari, I will be cool, right? This is not going to happen for fleets. So Uber and Didi, they don't care about fanciness and all this stuff. They just care about financial numbers, actually. Practicality, exactly, you got it. So in the end, everything is related to the TCO. And we don't need to spend millions or billions in marketing to convince people to use our car. Actually, we are developing the entire technology according to the data that we collected. So it's an easy penetration, because we're already talking and collecting data with the major players. Yeah.
And if you can get Ronaldo, that'll help.
Sorry?
If you can get Ronaldo to be your spokesperson. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah, actually, he's in my city. Yeah.
That'll help. Thank you very much.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.